Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Set Info channel. Today I have Nokia C01 Plus and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it. Our first step to fix it, we must go back to the main menu where we press on settings option. Now scroll down to the system and there our date and time, where we must turn on first function use network provided time. After that all would work. We can go back to Google Chrome and try to search something like GG and all is working right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.